A customer had a hard drive fail in a BCM. The replacement drive has been received and installed. Now they want to monitor the progress of the mirroring rebuild status. How can the customer do this?